One of the things DepotStar has found a niche in is taking equipment that other customers or people have designed and manufactured and doing a repair. This happens to be from an old piece of equipment that's no longer manufactured, but it controls the whole assembly line. They couldn't get it fixed by anybody, they wanted to replace it. So we take it apart, look at it, actually test it and repair the internal components so that it can be sent back out and they don't have to upgrade their automation equipment or their production assembly area. This equipment was probably built in the early 80s, and we set up a repair program so that we can repair this item. Now, this is just one aspect of the many different types of things we do. This is our press room, and to be able to do wire harnesses, connectors, and things like that requires a press designed specifically for a terminal. These reels of materials here have individual ends on it, individual crimped or ends that go on the end of a wire like this. And this little terminal comes on these big reels. And to be able to do it efficiently for our customers or ourselves, you have to have the wire pre-cut, and then it comes on a reel. And this tool that's in here is specifically designed to crimp accurately and efficiently the end, so that the operator would stick the wire in here, push the button, out would come a pre-crimped, guaranteed accurate terminal that would then be inserted into a housing or a fitting. This is called Mosquito Magnet. This product was produced by a company that will no longer support and service the product itself. This product really works well. However, it has a number of flaws in it that, because the company will no longer support it, I found a need or a niche for us at DepotStar to create a design a process to repair these. So what we do is we take them all apart. We take them all apart. We have our own replacement parts that goes in here. We test the boards, redesign the parts to make this product work even more efficiently and effectively long-term, so that our customers know that we're the people that are designing a replace and fixing the product more than just a repair. We do a upgrade and a refurbishment with our own DepotStar design parts. One of the things that we were talking about, the Mosquito Magnet, this happens to be one of the failed parts. This is an original part here. This is called an igniter. I found out that this part, and this was what failed in my unit originally, is this igniter. This igniter was only designed to start 100 or less times. The factory put this part in this unit to only start 100 times. I designed our own part, a DepotStar igniter. This is designed to start 100,000 times. Thus, just this part, without this, the part won't work, the device won't work. So I had to design a replacement part that would work. And that's part of what we do here, is we look at the parts that have failed, look at how it fails, and design a better replacement part to guarantee to our customers that we're doing as much as we can to make it the best possible part. This is a redesign of a power supply board that was made in the early 80s. So with limited documentation and limited work, we relaid out the circuitry of the PC board, created the board itself, bought the bill of materials, and continued to be able to support that customer's need for these power supplies. This is called the print head that goes into a Lexmark laser printer. And we have customers that do what's called on-site maintenance that need these to be repaired. The mirror motor, this mirror motor spins at 40,000 RPM, or up to 40,000 RPM. We designed a repair where we take the mirror off, rebuild the circuitry on the motor itself, replace the bearings, put everything back together, fix the laser scanner, and then put it back together and test print the mirror or the print head itself. There's all kinds of different printers, and each one of these printers has its own unique style of print head. To be able to do this, we're not authorized by Lexmark or anybody like that. We had to create what we call reverse engineering of circuitry. We have to go in there, analyze the circuitry, determine how it works, how it functions, and then make a simulator to be able to drive the mirror motor, to be able to burn it in, to be able to exercise the motors, to guarantee that for our customers that our repair and our refurbishment process is sufficient to make sure that these refurbished parts will work for as long or longer than the original factory parts did.